Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Kovalan and we have Amal behind the camera today. This is the third episode of the video series where we talk about the things we love and we use on a daily basis. Today we have a product with us which is pretty small and which is not new to the tech industry. Without any further ado, let's get started. Today we have a mouse with us, the Logitech Mx Anywhere 2S. This is a mouse which I've been using for the last 1 year. It has some functionalities which allows you to do high precision tasks such as video editing and photo editing. What all this hype about? Let me show you. The hype is all about the hardware the mouse packs and the software which complements the hardware for an amazing user experience. This is a very comfortable mouse to use as a daily driver. It has a high precision 4000 dpi dark field sensor which works on almost any surface, even through the glass. So you don't have to carry a mouse pad wherever you go. You just have to find a flat surface and start using the mouse on it. The dark field sensor is configurable. You can configure it from 200 dpi to 4000 dpi according to your need. So the mouse has a very familiar design with a standard left, right and a scroll button. It has a back and a forward button at the comfort of your right thumb. Behind the scroll button, there is a gesture button which lets you to choose the custom functions. At the bottom of the mouse, we can find the on-off switch and the button which lets you to switch between your paired devices. The scroll button comes with two different options. With one click of the scroll button, you can enable the hyperscroll function, where you can scroll through large documents or web pages, and you switch back to the normal scrolling by clicking the scroll button again. Rather than the scroll button, all other functional buttons are customizable with the help of the Logitech Options software. The mouse can be connected to 3 different devices and can switch over these devices with a click of a button. You can connect this mouse with a Logitech provided unifying connector or Bluetooth 4.0. Once it gets connected to a device, you don't have to pair it again and again. We can customize mouse buttons according to our need. Also, we can customize the mouse to a specific application which we use. So according to the application, we can have different options inbuilt. And whenever we start using that application, these settings will start to kick in. The much hyped feature which I was talking at the beginning is Logitech Flow, which enables you to switch and transfer contents between 2 devices effortlessly. After connecting to 2 different PCs, either it can be a Mac and a Windows PC, you can switch between them by sliding over to the edge of one PC and it will seamlessly switch you over to the next one. Also, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can simply copy a file or a folder from one PC and paste it on your other PC using Logitech Flow. So in spite of all these great options, this mouse packs up a wonderful battery which gives you a battery life up to 60 days. Honestly speaking, there are no much complaints about this mouse, as Logitech improved this mouse series over the past couple of years. In the user point of view, if you are going to use this on a Linux system, you will be disabled on many customizable functionalities. Hopefully, in the future, Logitech will develop their support for Linux systems. Logitech software can also get little more user-friendly in order of customization as well. Another point is the price tag of this device. This is up to you to decide whether these functionalities are worth $70 for you. All in all, I find this mouse as a near perfect device. So if you are that person who uses more than one device and involved in high precision tasks such as video and photo editing, this mouse is for you. We hope that you found this video helpful and more relatable to your daily experiences. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and share it with your friends. And see you guys in our next video.